Hello students. So today I am taking up this session for class 6. The chapter I am taking up is playing with numbers, and in this we are going to do the exercise 3.4, and then we will learn how to find LCM and HCF. So first let us find what is the meaning of common factors. So here we have a question: find the common factors of 20 and 28. So first let us find factors of 20, then let's find factors of 28, then we can find their common factors. So factors of 20 are 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 3 is not a factor, 4 into 5. So factors of 20 will be factors of 20 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Right. Similarly, let's find for 28. 1 into 28, 2 into 14, 3 will not divide 28. 4 7s are 28. So 4 into 7, 5 will not divide, 6 will not divide, and 7 is already there. So factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So let's encircle the common factors. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4, then that's all. So we can write the common factors as 1, 2 and 4. So this is how we find the common factors. So similarly, if we go for HCF in this question, then the meaning of HCF is the highest common factor. So as the meaning suggests, out of all the common factors, I have to find the highest one, and this is the highest common factor. So HCF will be equal to 4. So this is how we find HCF for any two given numbers. Now let's find LCM for the same numbers 20 and 28. So for this, let's find first the multiples of 20, then we will find multiples of 28. So multiples of 20 are 20, then 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 and so on. Right? Now the multiples of 28 will be 28. So 28, 56, then 84. So I am multiplying 28 with 1, then 2, 3, like we do in a table. 112, 140, 168. Now what we see that what are the common multiples? If we start listing the common multiples, then common multiples, we can see that the one common multiple that we have got here is 140. Right? So I can club, because multiples of any numbers are infinite, they will go on and on. So 140, and then there will be some higher also, but this is the smallest common multiple. So the meaning of LCM is least common multiple. Thus the LCM of 20 and 28 is 140, but this is the least common multiple. So this is the method of finding the multiples.